began life as a single fertilized ovum, a single cell. And now, as we develop, we're now trillions of cells, and all of those cells have to talk to each other. Your heart, all the cells of your heart have to talk to your various other organs. And what drives that communication are hormones, these chemical agents. And I'm interested in studying not only how this happens, but how can we engineer these informational processes and translate that to things that can help people. And I want to talk about a unique cell signaling device that our body uses, and that's called extracellular vesicles, or EVs. EVs were discovered back about 60 years ago, but it's only been in the last 10 or 15 years that we've appreciated that they actually play a critical role in cell-to-cell communication. So, if you will, think about them as a glorified hormone, but much, much more than a hormone. They are a vesicle, which is defined just like a plasma membrane of a cell, and it carries cargo. These cargo are all of a wide array of signaling modalities. They can be on the surface, they can be in the lumen, and what they do is, just like hormones, they direct cell behavior. Every cell in your body makes them, and by the way, not only that, every cellular organism in the world makes them. I refer to them as the universal communicator because that's how bacteria talk to you. My interest in them is they represent tremendous translation potential, because I think think of them as the ultimate souped up hormone. Where that comes into play is they are normally not only associated with various fluids of the body like blood and saliva, urine, and so on. They also can be associated with the extracellular matrix. And this is important because we can also bioprint these extracellular vesicles to create different patterns, and we can put them where we want to put them. So my lab has also been involved in the last few years in engineering the cargo, both on the inside and the outside, in order to develop them as potential therapeutics. In addition, we also work with bacterial EVs. We do a lot of work with pneumococcus, and basically that's associated with a lot of lung-associated diseases, and we're using them to study the disease process as well as develop new vaccines. I want to solve complex problems, but I also want to, in my case as a biomedical engineer, I want to improve patient outcomes. I want to translate what I'm working to make people's lives better. For me, that is what keeps it exciting. You're enjoying the trip along the way, and that's what's important. It's the trip, not actually getting to your destination. And a part of the way is training the next generation of kids coming